everyone, I'm Katie from the Maths Centre and welcome to this week's Is It Maths or Is It Magic? So first of all, I'd like you to choose a number between 1 and 12. Yep, got your number. So what we're going to do is spell out your number using the clock face. So starting at 12, we'll spell out the number, moving a step for each letter. So if I choose number 1, I'm going to go O-N-E and I'll land on 3. Yeah, and then the next step, wherever you have landed, you're going to spell out that number. So for me, I'm on 3 and I'm going to go T-H-R-E-E. Yeah, so repeating the process again a third time. So whatever number you've landed on, you're now going to spell out that number. So for me, I'm going to spell out 8. So I've got E-I-G-H-T. So I've ended on the number 1. Yeah, so I don't know what number you started with, but I do know that you haven't ended up on 2, you haven't ended up on 4, you've not ended up on 8, and you haven't ended up on 12. So the next step, whatever number you landed on, you're going to spell out that number using the remaining steps on the clock face. So I ended up on 1, so I'm going to spell out 1 using the remaining letters, so O-N-E. Yep, so if everyone does that. And now for a little bit more magic. So I know that you didn't end up on 10. I know you didn't end up on 1. You didn't end up on 11. And in fact, I know that you ended up on the number 6. Let us know if you got there, let us know what you thought, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.